Hi, it's Joe. It's Tuesday, April 27th, I believe. And here's the deal. I have spent time in the second of the upstairs bedrooms, gutting it down to the studs. And I've written a blog about this. It's the one that's titled Milwaukee Sawzall Comes to the Rescue, or Reciprocal Saw Comes to the Rescue. And what was happening was I was needing to really yank on some of these boards to get them loose, to take them out, and it just was way too time consuming. So the reciprocal saw speeded everything up. But let me give you the tour. I'm sitting by the window. That's the door, and we can see part of the other room in there. The shovel is part of the technique of getting the stuff off fast. But this is the east-facing wall of that room. Haven't quite finished up the trash, and I'm sick of it, so I'm not going to leave it for tomorrow. Then we have the north side. Then we have the room, we have the part of the room with the window in it. And you can kind of see there's not a whole lot of uprights for future nailing surfaces. Then the chimney and the last wall. Now, I wore a helmet because I was thinking I was going to get a whole bunch of mouse turds. And I don't know if you have ever seen in football at the end of the game where they pour the Gatorade bucket over someone's head on the winning side. There was this spot up here where when I took the plaster down, I had a cascade of mouse turds that reminded me of being doused with Gatorade. And I'm very fortunate that I had the foresight to put the helmet on. But you can see that I've got it mostly up to the ceiling here so that we can see what the rafters look like and all that. You can actually see where the light comes in at the top of the chimney and all that. And there's boards up there, and they put a little insulation in, but that's about it. So now tomorrow I'm going to finish up this thing, and then I'm going to go into this room and get this same room kind of in that same shape here. We'll see how all that works. This one, every room is basically a cube, and let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 of the sides don't really need insulation because they are interior. The part that's going to need the foamed in insulation is this, and then this. Actually 3 of the sides, because then this sloping part. But this is a much smaller room. This should go a little better than the other ones did. And so I'm making progress slowly, but I'm done for the day. And that's looking in the other room. I'll catch you later. Bye.